All right, so the first step for the actual day of surgery conversion is to take a denture, and you can see this denture has not been modified at all. And here's our patient. So we've got to take this denture to the patient and then locate where do we need to modify this denture to accommodate the parts that we're going to be picking up. This model is a bone-based model, right? And I want you to think of this as an actual patient. So this patient currently has the tissue flapped back, the implants went in, and the abutments have just been placed. So immediately, once the abutments are in place, flaps still open, we're now going to take bite registration, cover it with Teflon tape, and you can see that this Teflon tape is not the Teflon tape you get from Home Depot. It's a 2-inch wide Teflon tape that's been cut, and it's much easier to handle. It doesn't have much static at all. All right, so the first step is to inject bite registration into the intaglio of the denture in just a smooth motion. And then we're going to cover that bite registration. And then we're going to go to the patient's mouth, and usually I'll have the mandibular denture in occlusion and then just rotate the patient into it. That's hard to do on this particular model because I don't have an opposing, but anyway. Now immediately I can remove that denture because the Teflon tape acts like a barrier and prevents the bite registration from sticking to anything. So I can go in and out, and then the Teflon tape also prevents any bite registration from getting into the screw channels of those multi-unit abutments. Remember, these analogs in this model are representing an actual multi-unit abutment that's in the patient's mouth right now. Okay, so that right there shows us where we need to make the adjustments to accommodate the parts that we're now going to be picking up.